there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzy. You are welcome to my channel. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss any of my video. So today is my brush. What happened to my brush journey. I ordered this brush for Do Care. I make a video of the brush before. I will leave the picture here or up here, anywhere, to see before and now. It's not up to 6 months when it starts, this breaking brush starts happen, but it's just now I'm just showing it. I believe when you subscribe to my channel, you are watching my makeup video, you will see the brush that I'm using. All the brush is already peeled, so it happened before, not now. So here is the old brush. You can see here everything just peeled. I don't even like I wash it like normal, the way I wash my brush. Like this one now, I have this one. I can't even remember when I start learning how to do makeup. When I see someone do this one, I have to go to H&M or any makeup shop, but this one is from H&M. I have it long time ago. It's just my case used it to bite it from the two side. From here I use it, maybe I did take it away, then they pick it and chew it. So this brush didn't even break, no matter the way I wash it, because I use water. I can't use washing machine. It's thick. I just use those things to wash brush and wash it one by one. But I don't really know what happened. Look at this one now. It's just changed to stick. The black one that make it beautiful like this peel out. If I'm washing it, this is what happened. You see one fall down. It's just peeling. Like it's just peeling. I'm not even using, I use warm water, like warm water, because of it will make the foundation, the oil to just melt like that. Not warm water, I can't dip my hand. I have to use my hand to wash it. If it's too hot, I can't use my hand. I don't really know what happened to the brush. So, see? Even this one, I'm not even washing this one like that. Let me say once in a week or more than 2 weeks I wash it, because it's just finished brush, finished brush, and I use same finished powder, so I don't really need to be washing it all the time. But this foundation brush, I have to use it because, for example, if I use black now, I want to use another color, then the eyeshadow will spoil like that. So I always wash this small one, but this big one, even though I'm not washing it like that, it still crack. Everything just crack. I don't know, see? Let me say more, everything I buy from there just crack. I even buy this one. It's not like it's too cheap that you say, oh, the brush is too cheap. The brush is expensive. It's up to $40 or $45, because of, I see the one Annabelle is using. There is one lady I subscribe to. I like her makeup a lot, so I try to order there. I can't find. Searching online, this Do Care just come outside. I like direct from the website to Instagram. I see a lot of people buy it. Then I order. It didn't take long time for the brush to arrive, but the brush just turned out like this. Look at the bottom self. Everything is just peeling. This one just changed to wood. Maybe I'm thinking that if I can peel everything, I can just peel everything, but everything will not like peel neat like this one neat. It will not peel like that. There will still be black inside. So I just have to review it. I don't know if you buy it, you still have this kind of the brush, do care brush, this thing happened to you, you can just link the, you can leave message down under, like, even though it happened already, there is nothing I can do. I already buy it. There is no warranty, nothing. So I just have to get a new brush. Doing makeup, I can't mention brush like the brush I'm using. And even mention brush don't mean that, don't like you have to use the brush that I'm using. Any brush you use is perfect. It's just the brush you need is fluffy brush that will be really fluffy, not too thick. Not like this one now will be fluffy. I believe you will understand, because if it's too thick, you use it to apply eyeshadow, it will just stick to that place. For you to blend it will be more difficult than this one, is more easier for you. So you can just get any branch of your own. It doesn't matter you have to, like when somebody is doing a video, you will say, oh, I use this brush, what is it called, like do care, this one have a number before, okay, like do care 18. So you don't know the 18 I'm using. If you are not using do care, you will not know which number, all those kind of things. So I will end this video here. If you like get a brush from this brand, it happened to you, you can leave a message that anytime you see this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. As I said before, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss any of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed weekend and stay blessed. Bye.